best bites forever.
Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to roll a perfect egg roll. Let's rock it out. So here I have my egg roll wrapper laying on a plate. I've added just a little bit of the filling, and I do have a tiny tear in the bottom here, but that's why I put it at the bottom. So I just want to roll that over and tighten it up, and then you're going to imagine a triangle there at the top, and you want to line up your folds with what would be the bottom corners of your triangle. So I'm going to fold one side over, and I have that beautiful straight line going up to the corner of my triangle, and then the other side over, and again I have that beautiful straight line going up to the corner of my triangle. See the top there, you can kind of see how if I drew a line across the bottom, it'd make a nice little triangle shape at the top. The next thing I'm going to do is just add a tiny little bit of egg and finish rolling it up. This guy is ready to go onto my sheet pan with my other egg rolls, and it's ready to go into the fryer. Of course, I will leave a link down below to my egg roll recipe, and that is it for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking, everyone!
Best bites forever.